Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In today's video, I'm going to show you the deals that I grabbed at Walgreens this week. That includes a buy online, pick up in store or curbside deal, as well as some in-store deals that I grabbed when I went to pick up my curbside order. So the curbside order went beautifully. However, the in-store deals had so many issues. So I'm going to share those with you because I know many of you have frustrating Walgreens stories and we learn from the things that go wrong. So I'll share that with you, as well as announce the winner of last week's giveaway. I'm going to do that here in just a moment. But first, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I am so glad that you are with us. Also, if you are not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. I also really enjoy hearing from you all. I am doing my best to respond to each and every one of you, but keep leaving those comments. I love hearing from you guys. Let me know how your week is starting out and what deals you're grabbing this week. Now on to the giveaway winner. Thank you to everyone who entered. What I did is I created a spreadsheet of everyone who entered the giveaway. I then used a random number generator to select the winner. And the winner is TJO. So TJ, you have 48 hours to get in contact with me. So by Wednesday afternoon, please send me an email to savingwithchristina@outlook.com. Let me know if you want your $10 gift card to be to Target or to Walmart. Either one is fine. You just let me know what your preference is. Okay guys, let's get into the deals. I'm going to start out with the curbside deal because that went pretty smoothly. No issues with the curbside deal. So if you want to be able to replicate this deal, I want to show you exactly how I did that. I did that here on these 3 Burt's Bees products. Now, first of all, I was working with a booster coupon or a digital coupon found in the Walgreens app. And it was, when you spend $20, you get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So I found these Burt's Bees Truly Glowing products. So they are buy 2, get 1 free. I grabbed this Truly Glowing Night Cream priced at $17.99. There was a $7 off digital coupon in the Walgreens app that applied to this product. I then grabbed 2 of these Truly Glowing Gel Cleansers. These are less expensive, but there was a digital coupon for this, so that's why I grabbed 2 of these items. So the Truly Glowing Gel Cleanser is priced at $9.99. So I paid $17.99 for one, $9.99 for the other. This one is free because it's buy 2, get 1 free. I then had a $7 digital coupon for the night cream, a $3 digital coupon for the gel cleanser. Total cost was $19.46 after those coupons. And I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20. I got back $6 on Ibotta, $3 for each of these. And then I got back another $4 on Ibotta for purchasing this one. I then got back a bonus $1 on Ibotta for buying at least 2 of the Burt's Bees products. Now it says that should be on separate shopping trips, but it still gave me the bonus. So that would probably happen for you as well. So that makes it $3.46 for all 3 items. Now, I also had a bonus on Ibotta, the midweek bonus, for $1 back when I redeem any 5 offers. So that got me 3 offers closer to that $1. I thought that was a pretty great price for these products, especially since this one night cream was $17.99. Now, let me tell you something that I did, and it is a tip that could work for you. Some people have been saying that when they do curbside orders, that every once in a while the store will cancel one of their items because it wasn't in stock, and then that kind of messes up their entire transaction because they were either trying to get to $30 to get $10 back, or like I did, get to $20 to get $5 back. So I tried something different this time. I actually went to the store. I verified that they had the products, these 3 products that I wanted to buy. Then I placed my order. I actually then took the items up to the guy that always does the curbside orders at my store, and I said, hey, I just placed a curbside order. These are the items that I ordered. And he was like, oh, that's awesome. And he scanned them. As soon as the order came through, he scanned them. He gave me my items, printed my receipt. Super simple. So if that's something that you're interested in doing, know that that is an option. I know that takes away the benefit of not having to enter the store. However, Walgreens has been incentivizing us to use that curbside option with all of these cash back offers they're giving us. But I wanted to make sure that the items were in stock. So that's how I went about doing this deal. Just double checking and make sure that their inventory was reflecting what was actually there. And when I bought these, it said there were only 2 left. So I was like, I want to go into the store and make sure there's legitimately 2 left before I place this order. If y'all have questions on curbside, let me know. Okay, so then I did in-store deals. So let me tell you what the deals are, how they should have worked, and then how they ended up working. So on Colgate this week, there's a number of different Colgate toothpaste that qualify, but they are buy 2, get a $5 register reward, and they're priced at $2.99 each. So I bought 2 for a total cost of $5.98. Now, on the Colgate website, you can print 75% off coupons. So you should be able to use 2 coupons. That would take $1.50 off your total, paying $4.48 and getting back a $5 register reward. Okay, so when I checked out, she went to scan my coupons. The first one she scanned and she took. The second one she would not take. She said, this coupon says 1 per purchase. I said, oh yes, it is 1 per purchase, but I'm purchasing 2 of them. You see how it says 1 per purchase, 4 identical coupons per day? That means I could use 4 of those as long as I'm buying 4 items. She was like, no, you cannot use this coupon. It's 1 per purchase. If you want to use another one, you would have to do it in a different transaction. I'm like, all right, I'm not going to argue with you. And I literally said that. I'm not going to argue with you. That's fine. I'll just use 1 coupon and I'll pay the rest. So I ended up calling the corporate office because I had issues across the board, and I'll tell you about that here in a moment. And they did say, yes, you should have been able to use both of those coupons in the store. I'm not sure why she wouldn't take both coupons. Not a big deal. I'm not going to get all worked up over 75 cents. It's frustrating, and that's people's biggest complaint about Walgreens is that they're frustrating. They give us these coupons and then they don't work. They give us these deals of spend a certain amount, you get it, and then they don't work, and people get frustrated and they stop shopping there. So I do have a love-hate relationship with Walgreens. I love them because they have some amazing deals, but I hate them because they are unnecessarily difficult. I don't know why it has to be so difficult. CVS doesn't seem to have these same issues. Okay, either way, if you use both of those 75-cent off coupons, you will pay $4.48. You'll get back $5 in register rewards, and that makes this free and a 52-cent moneymaker. But let me tell you one more thing. When my register reward printed, this is what it looked like. It was blank. Apparently, their machine isn't working. So that was my second frustration with Walgreens for today. And they said, the manager's not here right now. You would have to come back when the manager's here to get this worked out. Well, the manager happened to walk in during this process and got it taken care of. He ended up ringing up the order again, and it did generate the correct register reward on a different register. So they did get it taken care of, but again, it's this extra step that's frustrating and annoying to deal with. Okay, so the second deal I did was on Crest toothpaste. So these are $2.99 each. Buy 2, get $3.50 back in a register reward. So there are digital coupons that do attach and do apply to these items. There is a $2 off one coupon and a $1 off one coupon. So you would pay $2.98 and you would get $3.50 back in register rewards, making them free and a 52-cent moneymaker. But guess what? Neither of my digital coupons came off, and my second register reward also printed blank. So, couple of things. The manager, of course, when they re-rang these Colgates and the new register reward printed out correctly, they re-rang these Crest toothpaste and the correct register reward printed out. So that's just specific to my store. That machine just wasn't working in my store today. Maybe it was out of ink. I don't know what the issue is, but they got it taken care of. Now, my digital coupons didn't come off. That I cannot figure out. I don't know if something happened on the cashier side. I don't know if it was a system issue. So I ended up having to call Walgreens. The manager said they couldn't do anything about it, to call Walgreens. So I called the number, mostly because I want to be able to share that experience with you guys of how they take care of it and what they end up doing. So the lady that I talked to on the phone, super nice. She said, absolutely, your digital should have come off. I don't know why they didn't. I apologize that that happened. I'm going to credit your account in points. So it's not ideal, right? I'd rather just pay the $3 less than to get $3 in points, but they are doing their best to fix the issue, and I appreciate that. Are y'all having issues with your digital coupons coming off? Is this just me? Did my cashier forget to hit a button somehow? Maybe I'm just having a bad day. I don't know. Let me know if you are also having issues with your digital coupons coming off. So if everything works the way it's supposed to, these are free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. The last deal that I did, and I added this morning because I saw an offer for it on Shopkick and on Ibotta, is for these Anytizers boneless chicken bites. Of course, these are in the freezer section of your store. My store had them priced at $8.99. There is a $2 digital coupon that applies to this product on the Walgreens app. You will pay $6.99. You'll get $3 back on Shopkick. My offer was for $3 or 750 kicks back, and 85 cents on Ibotta. So that makes the total cost of this product just $3.14, which I thought was a pretty great price. It also got me one more offer closer to that midweek Ibotta bonus. So now I have 4 of the 5 that I need to get that extra $1 back. And I know that I'm going to get the 5th one. There just wasn't anything else at Walgreens that I wanted or needed that had an Ibotta bonus attached to it. So, of course, the $2 digital didn't come off because none of my digitals came off. So this was another one that she credited me when I was on the phone with her. If you don't have the Shopkick app yet, definitely grab it. I have a referral code that you can use that will give you an additional 250 kicks back when you scan your first receipt. I have also done a complete tutorial on how to use the Shopkick app. So if you want to see that video, I can link it in the video description box below. It walks you through step by step from getting the app on your phone to actually submitting receipts. Super easy, as well as Ibotta. If you don't have Ibotta yet, definitely grab that app as well. There's so many awesome offers that you can get, including bonuses. It's just, Ibotta is an amazing app. If you don't have it yet, definitely get it. If y'all have any questions about anything I talked about today, please let me know down in the comment section below. Hopefully your Walgreens shopping will be a little less frustrating than mine, and y'all are having a wonderful start to your week. Thanks.